In this video, I will show you how to quickly set up Apple Pay on your Apple device. On your iPhone, open the Wallet app and tap the Add button. Then tap Debit or Credit Card to add a payment card, and tap Continue when you're ready. Now, touch your card to the back of your iPhone to add it, or enter your card details manually and follow the on-screen instructions. Your bank or card issuer might request additional verification to approve the use of your card with Apple Pay. Once you've added a card on your iPhone, your other Apple devices might also ask if you'd like to authenticate that card for use with Apple Pay. In Settings, under Wallet and Apple Pay, you can change your default card at any time if you've added multiple cards. Here's how to make a purchase using Apple Pay. For iPhones with Face ID, simply double-click the side button and glance at your iPhone to authenticate. For iPhones with Touch ID, double-click the Home button, then rest your finger on it to authenticate. Your default card will appear for use. You can also select Pay Later options, or tap your cards at the bottom of the screen to switch to a different card. When you're ready to pay, just hold the top of your iPhone near the contactless symbol on the card reader. When the transaction is complete, a chime will play. A done message and checkmark will appear on your screen. Easily and fast. And that's how you set up Apple Pay. Don't forget to follow for more videos like this. Check out these other videos as well.